Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Temperatures are cool enough this morning to wake you up a little bit as you're heading out the door, but we're actually right about where we're supposed to be in the middle of October. This afternoon, we're going to be above where we're supposed to be, about 6 to 8 degrees above average. Let's take a look at what's happening right now. Big picture radar view, and there is nothing stirring around the mid-state and for hundreds of miles in every direction. But there is a chance of showers within the next 24 hours already across the area. The front that's going to produce that isn't producing anything right now because there just isn't enough water in the air in the upper Midwest. By the time it gets down towards us, our humidity isn't going to be a problem for us today, but there is going to be just enough juice in the atmosphere for a few very light showers around this time tomorrow morning, and then those are going to get out of here very quickly. In the meantime, hardly any fog showing up from our various weather bug camera perspectives, although there has been just a little bit of fog showing up on the fog tracker in eastern Middle Tennessee, but looking good from Bell Buckle, looking good from the city of Clifton and Wayne County. We can see some fog developing near the rivers and lakes in these cool fall mornings, but so far so good. Looking good from West Nashville and similar conditions towards downtown Nashville. Not going to see a whole lot of light in the sky for the next hour or so. The sun doesn't come up till about 6:53 this morning. Temperatures, as I mentioned, are cool, but normally cool. 49 degrees right now in Nashville. It's also 49 in Gladeville there in Wilson County, 45 degrees in Spring Hill, one of the cooler spots near Metro Nashville. The cool spot is 42 degrees in Cookeville. It's 45 in Tullahoma and McMinnville. 47 degrees Clarksville and Hopkinsville to start off this Thursday morning. But again, a big warm up in store for us. We're going to be into the 70s already by noon and then up to around 80 for a high this afternoon. Just a few clouds floating in from the west right before the sun goes down. No real worries about any cloud cover filtering out that sunlight this afternoon. It's going to be a mostly sunny day, but those clouds are going to thicken as we head through this evening, and they'll start producing a chance of showers in southern Kentucky right around midnight, and that's going to drop from northwest to southeast across the mid-state late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It looks like a lot on the radar simulation. It's not going to actually be a lot. Most of this is going to evaporate before it hits the ground, so a limited chance of any measurable rain, but a pretty decent chance of at least a few sprinkles in your neighborhood early tomorrow morning. But the cloud cover will be out of here by late morning tomorrow. Winds are going to pick up out of the north and northwest, and that's going to bring in some cooler air. If you're heading out to high school football games tomorrow evening, dress in a few layers, because while temperatures won't be too bad initially as they're kicking off, by the end of the game, temperatures might be down into the 40s already, and the wind will still be strong enough to make it feel a little bit cooler than that. Today's temperatures, not bad. We're going to be warming up very rapidly. Huge temperature curve from 9 a.m. to noon. An 18-degree jump just in the course of 3 hours. Then up to 80 for a high this afternoon, back down to the low 70s this evening. Tomorrow, right around 70, kind of our transition day as the cooler air makes its way in. 40 to start the day on Saturday, which means upper 30s outside of Nashville. Low 60s only for highs Saturday afternoon, and then down into the mid to upper 30s even in Nashville Sunday morning, which means spots outside of Nashville could get a little bit frosty to start the day on Sunday. Wouldn't be surprised if a frost advisory is issued for the National Weather Service, but that's still 72 hours away, so they don't issue those advisories until we're within the 48-hour time frame. We'll keep you posted, and then it will warm up as we head through next week. A reminder, you can join us for the forewarned weather alert tour. That is this evening. I wish they would have just left it as Thursday. Today, 7 o'clock. If you come tomorrow, you're not going to find us there. You'll find other people there, but not us.
You'll be
this
there.
evening at Long Hollow Baptist Church in Hendersonville, so we hope to see you there.
Makes for a long day, but I know you get good crowds and the folks enjoy the work you do. All right, Paul, thank you. Let's take a look at your morning commute. We've got a